All in all, the environment was seen as stable during the fourth quarter. However, input costs kept rising. The sector is wide, many industries activities, but by and large, there was a prevalence of squeeze on the margins. 52% of those who participated, and this is an important point, reported cost hikes of between 6 to 15%, or in excess of 15% in the last quarter. And only 10% of them reported a decline in their input costs. Now, earlier on, as part of the overall observations, I made the point about margin squeeze. When 52% of our manufacturing outlets having cost increases of up to 15% or more, and no less than 6%, that is changing the cost base of the business. Very importantly, rising costs, we refer to it, and three of them are very significant, more significant for some industries than others, depending on their energy intensity and labor intensity. Electricity is the common culprit at rates of, at the moment, if ESCOM gets its way, another 16% for a few years. These are massive cumulative change in the cost base of the business. Labor, of course, partly as a result of rising cost of living, partly because of the political economy issues. We have a rise in cost, and fuel in part because of the global change in the global economy. Remember, when the global economy, we said, turns the corner and become economically more active, it means demand for fuel goes up, price of petrol in dollar terms goes up, and then of course if concurrently you have a 10 to 12% depreciation of the currency, then the rand amount that our fuel cost goes up. As the global conditions become more favorable, in the sense that the global economy is growing at a better, more stable rate, we've got to pay attention to the domestic factors far more than ever before. And in terms of the overall view of the respondents, those who participated in the survey, overall, the prospects is not that encouraging.